Western Building Products OneSource Account Activation. Welcome to Western Building Products Network of Dealers. You will now have access to our quoting tool OneSource and can easily generate customized quotes for your customers. In this video, we will review the steps to activate your new account. After requesting access, you will receive an email with the steps necessary to register and activate your account. Click the OneSource link located in the body of the email. This will bring you to the OneSource login page. Click Register, and you will be prompted to fill in all necessary information. Be sure to choose a strong password that includes letters, numbers, and special characters. Your password strength must reach the strong classification to be accepted. Once completed, click Register. This will trigger a confirmation email to be sent to you with a verification link. Press Click Here, and you will be sent back to the OneSource login page. Sign in using your new account email and password. Now you will be asked for the activation code that was provided in the original email from OneSource. The activation code will be a mixture of numbers and letters. It should be towards the middle of the body of the email. Once you have entered this activation code, press Activate. You should be sent to the OneSource homepage. Your activation is now complete. Congratulations! You are now on your way to building futures with Western Building Products. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful videos at www.westernone.com.